So I'm quilting out 3/4 of an inch stripe border all the way around, and I'm going to show you how to do one of these corners when I get up to that corner. And then I'm going to quilt from the left to the right to meet up with the other side, and I will be done. So it's great to quilt from the bottom up or from the left to the right with these rulers, unless it's better for you from the right to the left, because you can use these lines on the ruler and the line you've already quilted. So I like to line up the lines vertically with the seam, but also line up the line that I've already quilted to keep everything straight. I'm going to travel up here on the outside so I can come back and get this line. But then instead of crossing one of the lines I've already quilted, I'm going to go to the next line and quilt that out. And now I'm going to come back and quilt out this square. So one thing that's nice, these rulers have markings both directions. So I know I want 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch line. So I'm actually going to stop. I have this lined up on the line here. I'm going to stop 3/4 of an inch. There. Turn it and go the opposite direction. And the reason I'm doing that is the hopping foot is 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm using the ruler at 1/2 inch to create that 3/4. So I stop there on that, and that's how I do it without having to mark anything, which is always great. Now a little itty bitty circle and square. So I'm just going to travel right now. I'm going to keep going down and meet that other end, but that's how I would finish quilting that out. And I'm using the 8 by 4 inch edge ruler from Linda at the Quilted Pineapple. I love her ruler. She has all the perfect lines in all the right spots to help us in our quilting. So go to thequiltedpineapple.com to get her a ruler.